If you want to delete your VSCO account, unfortunately there doesn't seem to be a way to do it on mobile, or at least I haven't been able to do it. Hopefully you have access to a PC. Just search for VSCO on Google and then click on the first link that pops up to go to their website. Then in the bottom left corner, click on Login. And this is where you will either type in your login details, or in my case, I will just log in through Google. And there we go. Now I'm in my account. So if I just scroll all the way down, I will get this delete my data and delete my account. Click on delete my account. There we go. We just have to re-enter our password. And then we have to specify a reason. You can just click on other and leave empty if you don't want to type in anything. I'll just click on no longer use VSCO and click delete VSCO account. And there we go. That is it. Just click delete VSCO account.